Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about ICT trading strategy. So in this video, I'm going to show you the strategy that has made me a lot of money for completely free. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's get into this video. So we are going to use 4-hour time frame and 15-minute time frame for this strategy. And on the 4-hour time frame, we need ABC pattern. What I mean by that is we need the swing high, then the pullback from the market, then again the swing high. And this will be our ABC pattern. The first swing high will be considered our A leg, the pullback after the first swing high will be considered our B leg, and then the last swing high will be considered our C leg. So it's an ABC pattern. Now this swing high after the pullback that we will get, it must come higher than our swing high because we need to grab a lot of liquidity when the market will create a pullback. If the pullback is too deeper, then this swing high will become very important area for the liquidity grab because a lot of the eyes will be on this area, and if we grab the liquidity and makes a rejection here, then there is a high probability then market will go towards our take profit area. So this structure that we have on the 4-hour time frame, it will look something like this on the 15-minute time frame. It will make a proper moves to the upside with swing highs and swing lows, swing highs and swing lows, and after it will grab the liquidity. This should break the previous level of the market structure. We need the market to break a previous market structure area, which will be the indication that market has liquidated a lot of positions at this swing high and we are ready to go down. But we are not gonna take the trade right after at this area when we will break this market structure. I personally like to take the trade from the extreme order block areas when the market will liquidate all the position from this swing high and we will break the previous market structure. My recommendation is that always wait for the market to come to this level of the extreme order block and then take the entry and your target at this area where the B leg ended, which was the pullback. So let me show you a couple of examples so you can understand it perfectly and you will have the idea that how we need to implement this on the charts. Now here on this chart of Euro, Japanese and 4-hour time frame, we have this swing high which is A leg, then a pullback which is B leg, and we're just gonna wait until the market will come to this level on the 4-hour time frame, goes a little bit higher than that, sweeps a lot of liquidity from here and then just drop. So we are gonna see how the market will come to this area, and we definitely need to put a line here so we will have the idea that yes, we have grabbed a liquidity from this area. So this is definitely a movement to the upside and we are trying to go higher than that. But I would not say that this is the liquidity hunt because we did not really make a movement higher than this line. So we just need to wait until the market grab a liquidity from this area. Now as we have made a movement to the downside, that's fine. So that definitely looks like that we tried to go higher than our swing high, we failed and the market made a strong movement to the downside. So we need to go to 15-minute time frame to see how this movement happened. Now on the 15-minute time frame, that's our swing high. Then we made a strong pullback which is our B leg right here. Then after that the C leg is market is trying to go higher than that. We even went higher. We grabbed some liquidity from this area and then we made a strong movement. So when market was making this movement, we have broken this market structure area. Now as we have broken this market structure area and the seller started to drop, I said I like to take the trade from the extreme order block areas. And on this chart, for me, the imbalance, it looks like here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place the trade at this extreme order block area, put my stops above the swing size, which is right here, and my target at the low of the pullback. So it's gonna be my trade which will be more than 12 risk reward ratio trade. So let's see how this trade will play out. Now as we can see right at this area, my entry was executed and now the sellers are coming to the downside. So we will see what kind of a movement we will get towards our take profit area. And now we can see that we have just got hit our take profit, and that is how you can use this simple ICT strategy. But I wanna give you one more example. Right now I'm in the buy position on USD Japanese yen and I took that buy based on this same concept. So let me show you that trade let me walk you through step by step on what was my process, what made me think that I need to take the buy on USD Japanese yen pair. So on this pair of USD Japanese yen, we are on the 4-hour time frame, and we have our leg A, which is right here, the swing low. Then we have our leg B, which is the pullback, and now the market is making the leg 3, and we need to have a lot of liquidity sweep at this area. Then we can take the trade, and our target is gonna be at this area from where the pullback ended. So we need to see how the market will grab the liquidity from this swing low, and then we will move down to 15-minute time frame to find the trade opportunity. Now as we can see that we have just went lower than our swing low, we grabbed a lot of liquidity from this area, and now the market is making a movement to the upside. So we need to go down to 15-minute time frame, and on the 15-minute time frame there was this structure that market broke after it liquidated a lot of positions at the swing low, which we can see from here. We liquidated a lot of positions, and we have the extreme order block area right here. For me, this is the area from where I can take the trade. So I'm gonna just show you that I put my buy position here with my stops right at here and my target at the area from where the leg B ended, or which is basically the pullback. After the swing low, market made a pullback, then market came down to grab a lot of liquidity. I ended up taking a buy from this area, and my target is at the end of leg B. So let me show you how the market is now making a move to the upside, and first I want to show you how my trade was executed at this area. So as you can see, now my trade has been executed, and this was the price level from where I put the trade. My stops are below this swing low, and my target at this end of leg B, which is basically the end of the pullback. And this is how the market is making the move to the upside. And this is the current market condition. We are right now in over 3.4 hour profit, and my expected profit is around 10.3 hour, which is definitely a very good trade opportunity. So that is one of my most favorite ICT trading strategy. We first start our analysis from the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we look for ABC pattern, the swing high, then a pullback, then the market needs to make another swing high, which should grab a lot of liquidity. And if we do that, we need to go down to 15-minute time frame. We are not going to use daily time frame. We do not have to use 1-minute time frame or 3-minute time frame. We are simply just going to go down to 15-minute time frame. We are going to wait for the market to break the recent key structure area. Once we will break that, we can simply just execute our trade from the extreme order block area, place our stops above the swing high or stops below the swing low, and our target at the end of the leg B, which is basically the pullback. So let me know if you guys have any question in the comment section, and let me know if you want me to make a video of your favorite topic. I will do that as well. And if you guys got some value out of this video, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace out.